Welcome back to the Don B channel. Thanks for watching. So we're going to do another install on my 87 Mustang GT here. We're going to install some new sway bar end links. Now the reason I want to replace these is because mine had the factory rubber bushings on them and they all started splitting, so therefore my sway bar became pretty much useless. And since I am still running the factory sway bar, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to some Prothane sway bar end links. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the box and see what you get. Everything that comes with the kit from Prothane. I of course bought this from LMR. These are relatively inexpensive, and the key component to the these sway bar end links here are these. It's these bushings. They are not rubber. They're not polyurethane. They're called Prothane. So as you can see here, they're very stiff, but it's supposed to improve the handling and overall feel of your suspension. We'll put that to the test and see if that holds any water or not. But for what it is, it's not that expensive. It comes with everything you absolutely need to install these on your car. Got your bushings, of course, your new sleeves, new bolts, washers, and attaching nuts. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these installed on the car. Okay, so here's the factory sway bar end link. And as you can see, this was replaced at one point already. It's got these, you can tell because it's got the blue bushings here. This side actually seems like it's okay. I know for a fact that the passenger side rubber has split already. So I'm going to go ahead and put the jack under the suspension here so I can put some load on it. So it makes it easier to take these apart. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Just put enough preload on it. Doesn't need to go super far up. I'm just going up there. That way I put some load on the suspension. Now, get my tools. Go ahead and get this old one off. We just need a 9/16 wrench and a 9/16 socket. I went ahead and put it on my impact here. Just because it's going to speed along things, you can use a ratchet. We'll go ahead and remove the bottom. Make sure it's free to clear. Come out the bottom. And it appears that it is. Alright, so go ahead and hook up our wrench here. Alright, and let's get this thing off. Okay, as you can see, this one was split. This is how you can tell that it's useless and broken. Yeah, this one was done. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this the rest of the way out and then replace it with the new one. Alright, it looks like that was the only bushing that was split. Alright, free and clear of everything. Alright, let's go and get the new parts ready and install it. Alright. If you're actually curious how the assembly goes, your end product's going to be like this. So we're going to have our bolt, a washer, a bushing, and then that goes up through the bottom, and then another bushing, another washer, our sleeve, the washer, another bushing, up through the top of the sway bar, and then another bushing, another washer, and then our locking nut. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this thing assembled back through, and we'll tighten this thing up. We'll start off there. Put our next bushing. That. Next comes our sleeve. Okay. Then another sleeve and a bushing. Now we'll go ahead and fish this up through the sway bar. jack up on the suspension so we can get it decently close. There we go. And of course our last bushing and sleeve set. And then of course our locking nut. Alright. Cool. That's the whole assembly right there. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and jack up on the suspension a little bit more so that way it's fully traveled up, and then I'll go ahead and tighten it down with our wrench and our socket. Right, that's nice and tight on there. That's good to go. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the other side, and it's the exact same steps. Alright guys, it's nice and tightened down, snugged up, good to go. And the passenger side, original one I had was actually worse. Check this out. It was split right here at the bottom, and there at the top. Yeah, this thing was done on this side. I knew that when I had this suspended up in the air on my buddy Jeremy's lift when we were doing some other stuff. I'm like, okay, well, I know this one's toast, so let's go ahead and replace them. Didn't realize the other one was busted too. So yeah, this is the passenger side. And here's the, so here's passenger side. Here's the driver's side. Driver's side was okay except for top bushing here got blown out. So we'll see how long or how well these hold up. And you know, we'll rock with them, see if they actually do improve the suspension performance at all. I had to replace mine anyway. These were junk, obviously. And, you know, these got good reviews. They're only like 25 bucks, too. So let's go ahead and get the car back on the ground, and we'll call it. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the install. It's really straightforward, very simple to do. Does help if you have access to a lift, but jack and jack stands will do. Very straightforward. I had it done probably about a half hour. Wasn't much to it. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.